Revenue Importer. As a financial planner, you need to report the revenue you have made from fees charged for products and services. This revenue is usually supplied to you as a CSV file from the supplier. We can use the Salesforce Data Loader to import the flat CSV file of financial accounts and revenue amounts, and then use FSCFP Revenue Importer to match the financial accounts and create the revenue records. This tutorial video assumes you have already downloaded and installed the Salesforce Data Loader app on your computer. Check out our Zendesk article on recommended settings. Here is a sample file from our product provider showing the client name, financial account name, and account number, the revenue amount, date, and type, and we have added a column called Processing Status with the value set as awaiting processing for all the lines. This status tells our revenue importer to process these lines after we have imported them into Salesforce. Let's save this file as a CSV on our computer. Now, we will import the CSV into the financial account import item in Salesforce, which is the intermediary object before the information is processed. Open Data Loader. Log into the relevant org, whether Sandbox or Production. Choose the object you are uploading, financial account import item. Attach the file you are uploading. Create or load the mapping. Here is the recommended mapping. Choose the destination folder to save your success and failed files. Take note that the CSV file has been imported as financial account import items. We can configure the setup to turn these records into revenue records against the correct financial accounts in Salesforce. Navigate to the Revenue Importer tab in Salesforce. Click Edit next to the default mapping. Using the two drop-down lists, choose the revenue fields and the corresponding fields in the financial account import item objects that should be mapped, then click the Add button. The mapping will be saved to the list below. Here is the recommended mapping. Click Next. To set the matching criteria for looking up your existing financial accounts to which those revenues should be attached. Again, use the drop-down fields to select the financial account fields and the financial account import item fields to be mapped. And click Add. Here is the recommended mapping. This mapping says that based on an exact match of financial account name and account number, add revenues. This means that if the financial account name and account number are not an exact match, the financial account import item will not be processed. Click Finish when done. Back on the Revenue Importer page, press the Run Batch button to process the records. Take note, before clicking the Run Batch, the newly created financial account import item status is on awaiting processing. And after clicking the Run Batch, the financial account import status will be updated to Success or Failed. To show the created revenue, click into the Success financial account import item and go to the related lists, and you will see the created revenue. Refer to this article on how to check failed items. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to follow us in our social media accounts.